One found the fielder. The other, you'll say, was quite lucky. Inside edge and got for four. Trying to guide it. He's played at home before. Well, on debut one-day internationals when Zimbabwe toured here about a year and a half ago. Here's Morkel. No shot. Short and put away with ease. 4 runs. What a wonderful start for Babar Azam. Once again, Morkel was way too short. Yeah, didn't come that quickly this time. They stood up for him, Babar Azam. Played it quite comfortably, quite nicely into the gap. Outfield is very, very quick. You find a gap, you find a boundary. Over one. End of the first, 12 for 1. Two straight. It's off the bat, and it'll go for 4. Yeah, a little bit leg-sided. Easy pickings. Babar Azam, wonderful start. You can't ask for a better start. That was definitely way too straight, especially on this pitch, which is slow. You've got to stick to that off-stump line. Yeah, not easy for the bowler because he knows he can't be wide, but you also can't be too straight. And again, it'll go for 4 more. The same error. Punished in the same way. Well, you're better off bowling outside the off stump. You've got more fielder on the offside. Because if you bowl that line, that length every time, Babar Azam gets a bat on ball, will most likely go for 4. That's way too straight. Maybe 4th stump, 5th stump, stick to that off stump line. That's a poor start, although they did pick up early wicket, but that's not a very good start. A good set for him. Morne Morkel, good the over before. And for just the 3 after having gone for 12 in his first. Off the edge, fine, slip is gone, it's 4. Well, this is what happens when you bowl too many straight deliveries or too many balls on the leg side. The captain's got to take that slip out and put it somewhere else because he's worried. If the slip would have been there, this would have gone straight into the hands of Hashim Amla once again. But the length was good. I don't mind that length, that line. But as long as you bowl consistently on that line, you can put a slip there. Oh, failed it. Quickly across despite the misfield. Can't tell it with the dive. Yeah, it's not easy when you diving on that pitches on that area which is bare. It's but great job. That's a good shot. Oh, such a good shot. 4 runs, 2 men in that area trying to stop that. Couldn't get to it. 34 for 1. That's into the gap. What a strike. Babar Azam is all class.
Really is a clever shot, intelligent shot. Mid-off was up in the air. We're into 6th over, so he can only allow 2 fielders outside the circle. And look at this, played with the spin between extra cover and mid-off, and it's a fast outfield. Once you hit that ball in the gap, no need to run at all. Rest away to the boundary. I think that's where the problem lies with Ahmed Shahzad. Psychologically, maybe. He's 12 or 13. We are into 7th over now. And now he should get at least 50 odd. What a shot. What a shot. That brings up the 50 as well for Pakistan. Babar Azam is in top form.
I mean, how glorious was that? Effortlessly played. Once again, the key to that shot was the gap that he found so beautifully. Super read of the slow ball and hit it ever so sweetly.
It was a different slow ball, back of a hand slow ball, where you hold the ball right into your palm and then release it with a straight seam.
It's not such a great effort, but I think he was beaten for pace. He was surprised with the force that flick shot had on the ball.
He was in two minds probably.
Dive and concern. 68 from 51.
In the end.
Got for four. Too fine for the short third man. And away it goes. That man Babar Azam again.
48 of 31, strike rate of 154. He was short, he was wide. And he opened the face of the bat to create that gap right there. Not a great effort by Hashim Amla. Another slow delivery, nicely played, sensibly played. You know, bowlers like Hilponi, you should just milk it like they're doing it. Just for 6 and over 7
Take it on as well. The partnership is a good one. 74 from 54. Nicely done. 50 up. Second 50 in T20 internationals for Babar Azam. It's come at a really good rate when you think of his international career. This is a cut above because he's just above 100, 110, 105.
1 wicket. He was Fakhar Zaman, caught at first slip to Sarah Pereira. 219. And then...
That's a big hit. The first one maybe. Into the stands.
$95 for 111 to 180, 190. I reckon against this strong batting lineup.